start optics. Yes, is it visible? Screen is
Yes,
visible.
yes, sir.
Yes, now. So we were going to start with the properties of plane mirror. What are the characteristic properties of a plane mirror? Okay. Till now we have seen.
Sir,
Yes.
I think your
Hello.
voice has been it's changed, sir.
Change means, is my voice not proper?
Yes, sir, it's not proper, sir. It is not understandable.
Not understandable.
Sir, means I'm recording this voice and sending you in WhatsApp, sir. I don't want
Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute.
uh,
Yes, is my voice clear now?
sir, yes, sir, now it's somewhat clear, sir. Then
Is it clear now?
now I can understand, sir, somewhat. Yes, no. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What happened? Something happened just now.
Sir, can you ask Chanakya versus that is it's issue from my side or
It's clear from me.
Hello. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, yes.
hello, sir?
Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
Fine. So till now we have seen about optics, geometrical optics we have started. We have seen Fresnel's distance or validity of ray optics, till which point ray optics is valid. We have seen that. Then we have started geometrical optics. We have seen the properties of light. It is an electromagnetic radiation. And we have solved some questions based on the rectilinear propagation of light. Okay. Then we came upon reflection of light. We saw the laws of reflection of light. Okay. We understood what is an object and what is an image, what is a real object and what is a real image that we have seen. Now we are moving over plane mirror. Plane mirror is what? It is a highly polished surface that regularly reflects nearly all light reflecting on it. This plane mirror can be anything. It is not necessarily true that plane mirror is always made up of glass. It can be of any metal also. Okay. Next is the properties of the plane mirror. Properties of plane mirror and the image. Properties of image formed by plane mirror. So you can write down it in brackets. Properties of images. Image formed by plane mirror. Okay. Now, first property is the image formed by a plane mirror will always be of same size as that of the object. Image is of same size as that of the object. Therefore, lateral magnification for a plane mirror, small m will be equal to h dash upon h, height of image upon height of object. This is height of image, this is height of object. This will always be equal to 1. Okay, this is the first property. Second property is object distance will always be equal to image distance. Will always be equal to image distance. Okay, object distance, this is taken as u, it will be equal to v, and v is what? V is image distance. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Next, third point is image will suffer lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. Image will suffer lateral inversion. Fourth one, for real object image will be virtual, and for virtual object image will be real. Now what is real object and virtual object? We have seen it earlier. Real object is when it is outside, means uh, all rays are starting from the object, then it is a real object. And when all rays seem to converge, that is that is a virtual object. For a real object image is virtual, and for virtual object image is real. For real object image will be virtual, and for virtual object the image will be real. Next point. Next point is of field of view. Now what is the field of view? Field of view is till what point you can see the image in a plane mirror. If a plane mirror is here, then if you are standing here, you cannot see the image. If the object is here, if this is the object, then in only this region, you will be able to see the image. Okay, all of this region, in this region only you will be able to see the image. You won't be able to see the image from this point. Okay, so this is called field of view. So in our next property, write down the region in which the observer eye must be present in order to view the image. In order to view the image is called field of is called field of view. Okay. So next property is, write down, a mirror, whatever may be its size, whatever may be its size, forms a complete image, forms a complete image of the object lying in front of it. Means even a small mirror, it will also form a complete image of the object which is lying in front of it. Okay. Got it?
Sir, got it, sir. Sir, got it, sir.
Written down all these points, Chanakya.
No, sir. No, sir.
Write them down fast.
Done, sir.
Done. Done.
Sir.
A1, Chanakya.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Done.
So till now we
Done,
have
sir.
seen till now we have seen uh, the properties of image formation by a plane mirror. Okay. We have seen a point object and we have seen an extended object. What is an extended object? An extended object is nothing but infinite number of point objects all kept together. Image of every point object will be formed individually and it will be seen all together. Now let us solve some questions. Write down. A ray of light incident as shown at an angle of 20 degree with the horizontal and suffers reflection. Full stop. If it becomes vertical after reflection, find the angle theta. This is the inclined plane. Okay, and ray of light is coming like this, and it is coming at an angle of 20 degree with the horizontal. After reflection, it is going like this, perpendicular. This angle is 90 degree. Then it is asked, what is this angle theta? Yes, calculate it now. Calculate it now. You have 3 minutes. Calculate it, both of you. I'm just coming. Calculate it. I'm just coming. See now how to do it. This ray of light is incident, and if we draw a perpendicular bisector, then we know that this is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of reflection, and both are equal. We know that angle of incidence and angle of reflection both are equal. So we can name it as alpha. Write down, let angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection equal to alpha. Therefore, this whole angle will become what? 2 alpha. And we know that this is 20 degree. This is 90 degree. Therefore, 2 alpha plus 20 equal to 90 degrees. Got it? 2 alpha plus 20 degree equal to 90 degree, or 2 alpha equal to 90 minus 20 means alpha equal to what? Alpha equal to 90 minus 20 by 2. 70 by 2. It is 35 degrees. Okay. It is 35 degrees. Now we know that if this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. This angle is also theta. Got it? Got it now? This angle is also theta. And now see all these three angles. These three angles. Theta plus 20 plus alpha. Theta plus 20 plus alpha is equal to what? They are also 90 degrees. This is also 90 degree. Is it not? Because it was perpendicular bisector. Also, theta plus 20 plus alpha equal to 90 degree. Alpha is what? Alpha is 35. So 20 plus 35 equal to 90 degree. So what will be theta? Theta will be 90 minus 20 minus 35. 90 minus 20 is again 70. Answer will be 35 degrees. Got it? Got it now, both of you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Take down the solution.
Suspicious అంటే నువ్వేమో చెప్పినాను ఆపుదామా అని చెప్తానే నాకు
Yes, taken down. Chanakya?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Hemant, take it down fully and just notify me when it's done.
Yes, a COVID sense.
Chanakya, copy.
Yes, sir. Yes. Hello.
Yes, done. Now, let us take another question. Now, question is to illuminate a well. Ray rays are incident. Rays are incident at an angle of 40 degree with the vertical. Find the angle theta that should be made by mirror with the horizontal to illuminate the well. In question, it is given that there is a well. Just now, there is a there is this well, okay, and in this well, we need to illuminate. We need illumination inside this well. So what we are doing? We are using rays of light. This is a well, okay, and this well needs to be illuminated. Mm, yes, now this is water, and this well needs to be illuminated. Rays of light are coming like this. Sorry, this is the vertical, and rays of light are incident, making an angle of 40 degrees with the vertical. These are the rays of light. They are making an angle of 40 degrees with the vertical. Okay, we want that all the rays of lights must fall inside the well. To illuminate the well properly, what should be done? To illuminate the well properly, the rays of light must go perpendicularly downward. Rays of light must be going directly in the downward direction. Okay, only after then whole well will be illuminated. Getting my point? So it is asking what should be the angle of mirror? Which mirror we should use here? Which mirror we should use here like this, so that all these rays after striking this mirror will be going in this direction. Getting it? All these rays will be going in this direction. Got my point now?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
what should be the angle of the mirror with the horizontal?
The mirror to which angle it should be placed in, also.
That's what is asked.
Yes,
What
yes,
should be
and
this angle of the mirror with the horizontal? This is what I am asking here. Angle of mirror is asked. For this, you can take a single ray of light. I am giving you hints. For this, you can take a single ray of light like
at
this.
70 degree,
And
it
Yes, what's your answer? 70 degree?
Yes, sir.
Very good. 70 degrees is the correct answer. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. 70 degree is correct answer. See how to solve it. This ray of light will be going in perpendicularly downward direction after getting reflected from the mirror. Ray of light was coming like this, and after reflection it is going in downward direction. It is said that mirror is making an angle of 40 degrees with the vertical. It means what? See, remove all these shades. Okay, it is saying that this is the vertical line and mirror is making an angle of 40 degrees with the vertical. 40-degree angle it is making with the mirror is making with the vertical. Okay, now mirror is making an angle of 40 degree. Draw a perpendicular bisector here. This is the angle of incident and this is the angle of reflection. Okay, this is the angle of incidence and that is the angle of reflection. Similarly, you can draw a horizontal line like this. This is the horizontal line. Okay, this is the horizontal line. See, mirror is making an angle of 40 degree with the vertical. This is 90 degree. Then this remaining angle will be what? This remaining angle will be 90 minus 40. It means what? 50 degrees. Remaining angle is 50 degrees. So write down 50 directly. This is 50 degree. Okay. So angle of incidence, this angle is 40 degree. This is 50 degree. This is 50 degree. And this is angle R. Let us assume that this angle is phi. This small angle is phi. Then this angle is also phi. Okay. This angle is also phi. So we can write down mm, wait a minute, 50 phi is, wait a minute, something wrong is there. Let me redraw the diagram.
And then repeating is 40 is okay. Plus 40 is the 140. You're restricted 70. And you can answer me. Anyways,
Yes, this is the vertical, and from vertical the question is saying, oh okay, this was the error. Rays are incident at an angle of 40 degrees. It is actually the rays of light which are incident at an angle of 40 degrees. So if this is the mirror and rays are striking at somewhat this 40 degree, this is the ray of light which is coming at 40 degree with the vertical. Then after reflection with the mirror, it should go in this direction, perpendicularly downward direction. So the mirror must be like this. This is the mirror. This is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of reflection. Okay, this angle I am assuming as phi. Now if this angle is 40 degrees, if this angle is 40 degrees, then the remaining angle, let us draw this horizontal side. This remaining angle is 50 degrees, then 50 degrees plus phi, and we know that this angle is 90 degree here. This is also phi, this is also phi, this is 90 degrees, and here it is 50 degrees. So we can write down in this solution, to illuminate the well, rays must go perpendicularly downward. Got it, Chanakya? Rays must go
Yes.
perpendicularly downward. From the diagram, from the diagram, what we can write? From the diagram we can write phi plus 50 plus 90 plus phi should be equal to 180 degrees. See this is straight line. This is the mirror. So phi plus 50, this is the angle 50 degrees, plus this 90 degrees, plus again this phi will give us 180 degrees. So 2 phi plus 2 phi should be equal to 180 minus 90 plus 50 is 140. Or phi will be equal to 40 by 2 or 20 degrees. Okay, phi will be equal to 20 degrees. Therefore, angle of mirror with horizontal is equals to angle of mirror with horizontal. Angle of mirror, this is the mirror. Its angle with the horizontal will be equal to this much. And this is this 50 degree plus 5. 50 plus 5, that is equals to 50 plus 20, that is 70 degrees. That's it. Got it now, Chanakya?
Yes. Yes.
Take it down. Good try, Hemant. Keep it up.
Qualcuno altri esperimenti. Spedizioni hanno solo c'è questo di
Yes, done.
varies. Ma poi classe di elezione it is number of
Done. Chanakya.
Yes, sir. Yes.
contradiction. I am suspended as a yes to vastly selling the Joe Fox is the new Joe Fox is and ఏం కాపీ చేస్తున్నారు అయ్యా నువ్వు తండ్రి
Yes, done.
Yes, sir. Yes.
డబ్బులుంటే ఒకరేమో చెప్పుకుంటున్నాను కదా
Fine.
తీసుకున్నారు 500
Now, let us take down another question. Hemant, are you there? Hello?
Sir, I'm there, sir.
Fine. So calculate the number of reflections suffered by the
Okay.
ray.
This one. So, what is going on? Number
The gap is 1 mm, okay, and this length is 2 root 3 centimeter. The ray of light is incident here at this end, making an angle of 30 degree. Okay, so how many reflections it will suffer before coming out of the other end? Calculate it. Yes, done. See how to do it. Let me solve it now. We know that the angle of reflection must be equal to the angle of incident. So when this ray of light is incident at an angle of 30 degree, it will also go out at an angle of 30 degree. Okay, it will move like this, will strike here. Again, this angle is 30 degree. It will again move at an angle of 30 degree, and like this it will move. Now, how can we see the number of reflections? We can see that in one reflection, this is the first reflection. In first reflection, how much distance it is covering? It is covering this distance x. It is covering this distance x in one reflection. This is after second reflection. Again, it will cover the same distance x. Then in third reflection, again it will cover the same distance x. Okay, so in every reflection, it is covering x distance. This x we need to calculate. This x we need to calculate. So how to calculate x? Here, tan 30 degree will be equal to what? Opposite upon adjacent. This is adjacent side. This is the adjacent side, and it is given as 1 mm. It is given as 1 mm. And what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to x upon 1 mm. So x will be equal to 1 by root 3 millimeters. Therefore, how many number of reflections will be there? We know the total length is 2 root 3 and 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So how many 1 by root 3 will be there? We will divide it. Therefore, number of reflections will be total length divided by x. Total length divided by x. It is 2 root 3 into 10 divided by 1 by root 3. Okay. Why 2 root 3 into 10? Because it was given in centimeter. Okay. So this root 3 will go upwards. It will become 2 root 3 into root 3. That will become 2 into 3. That will become 6. 6 into 10 is 60. So 60 times it will be reflected. 60 reflections will be there. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then that's all for today. Hemant, you got it?
Sir, got it, sir.
Yes, Hemant.
Sir, got it, sir.
Fine then. Fine then. Okay, then. Thank you. That's all for today. Fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. మాట్లాడమంటావా చాణక్య ఉన్నాడు